Scale CQP.
No. The junior school issues, I don't know what you mean. Probably you're talking about the teachers.
Staffing.
The staffing, but the staffing for the junior school has been done. As you are aware, we've already employed 76,000 teachers for junior school, and we're also doing a bulk of whom went to junior school, and we're doing another 24,000 to be in class by January this coming year. And as I've said, we received a figure of 950 million to retool all teachers in this new curriculum of competency-based education. And we are working towards ensuring that there is optimal allocation of teachers. As you are aware, we've been undertaking a verification exercise as a ministry on our basic education facilities, including how many schools do we have, including how many students do we have, what are the names of those children, in what grades are they, so that with this data would then be able to make informed decisions based on evidence. And that will help us, for example, reallocate teachers. For example, if we find that a school has more teachers than they should, then it will be we'll use that data to rationalize the distribution of teachers across the country. So we are doing something in this sector to just ensure that we are coherent in the way we handle our matters. Thank you very much.
Kidogo tu dakika moja labda. Tunaelewa wazi kwamba wanafunzi wa shule za sekondari msingi wanashiriki mtihani. Labda utueleze zile mbinu ambazo serikali itatumia kuhakikisha kwamba hao wanafunzi wanavuka madaraja na kujiunga na shule za upili za daraja la juu.
I have already answered that question and said that we put measures in place to ensure that the students who are doing their education from grade 9 to grade 10, they'll transition based on the paths. The ones who are doing Form 4, KCSE, you know very well that we have universities to where they are going. Last year, we transitioned 28% of the students who did the exams, and the other 72% joined or were in the process of joining these other tertiary institutions, including TVETs, KMTC, teachers training colleges, etc. Others are going to private institutions, others are going out of the country. So the government has put in place available places to ensure that whatever grade you get, there is a space for you. Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki.
Thank you so much.